Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a wooden yarn organizer for your crochet yarn. So this one I have them 5 pieces of them. So let's get started. So I have this number 1 I'm going to put down over here, and I'll have my number 2 is going to go right in there, facing downside that way, and then number 3 facing downside, the number 3 as so, and I have number 4 to go right on top over there, then number 5 on top here, that way. As you can see, this is where we're going to pull out our yarn, and we have over here as well. I'll show you later on. So here I have, you can organize your yarn. We have all crochet points that you use, so you can organize them. So I have my 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, so I'm going to insert that way, goes that way, then I have the smaller one, which is here. I'm going to put upside down, okay. Have this one here, you can keep it here, that way. There is a hole just there, and this one that way. It's very easy to organize your crochet hooks, so as if you're working with a project, you can not mess up with your crochet hooks, and you can find them easily by arranging this way, as you can see. And we have along with the markers, you can insert them that way. So you can see this is how it looks like, you can see. And I have my yarn over here. So let's see, I'm going to put my yarn there. Then let's see, roll it there, that way and that way. So when you're making your crochet, for example, going to make a knot here, your yarn doesn't get messed up, so you can easily work on crochet. Like you can make stitches that way. So see, it's very easy because you will not get messed up with your yarn falling everywhere, and your yarn will not get mixed up. So it's very easy to use this. This is my first time to buy this, and every time I make crochet I get messed up, or even if I make my project I get messed up. So I decided to buy this online. It's called a site Temu. So if you want, you can go to the site of Temu and buy this. And the other goodness with this is that you can make your granny squares and arrange them. The other thing is that we have this part over here which is made to arrange our crochet squares. So we're going to use the nails that I've provided. So we're going to put one there, that, so see, so I have my granny square here. So you can arrange your granny square, and the goodness is that we have several holes here as per your granny squares. If they're smaller, they have sizes here. You can see sizes in the boxes, so you can adjust these nails the way you want. So this is how it's going to look like. And this one I showed you, it's for your crochet hooks. So you can see, you can also keep it like this if you want. That way it stands the nail, the nails will not show, and you can keep crochet, but do not do that, otherwise this is going to fall. So just keep it simple. So to remove, I'm going to turn over our box. Pull it from here. So okay, so here we are again. To pull this through, I'm going to arrange our there. And voila, this is how it looks like. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. So see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye bye.